Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are keeping fine. Today we start our online classes. Our chemistry portions are Chapter 3 Synthetic Fibers and Plastics, Chapter 4 Metals and Non-Metals, Chapter 5 Coal and Petroleum, Chapter 6 Combustion and Flame. Once more, our chemistry portions are Chapter 3 Synthetic Fibers and Plastics, Chapter 4 Metals and Non-Metals, Chapter 5 Coal and Petroleum, and Chapter 6 Combustion and Flame. And also Chapter 18 Pollution of Air and Water. Today we start our chemistry chapter Synthetic Fibers and Plastics. The clothes which wear are made of fabrics. These fabrics are made from fibers obtained from natural or artificial sources. The clothes which we wear are made of fabrics. These fabrics are made from fibers obtained from natural or artificial sources. The natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk, etc. are obtained from plants or animals. Once more, the natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk, etc. are obtained from plants or animals. Once more, the natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk, etc. are obtained from plants or animals. Synthetic fibers are made by human beings. Synthetic fibers are made by human beings. That is why these are called synthetic or man-made fibers. Synthetic fibers are made by human beings. That is why they are called synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. Once more, what is the difference between man-made and natural fibers? The natural fibers are occurred from plants or animals. For example, wool, cotton, silk, etc. are obtained from plants or animals. These type of fibers are called as natural fibers. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. So, these are called as synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. Now, can you name some natural fibers? Cotton, wool, silk, etc. are natural fibers. Okay. Now, you can name some natural fibers. Cotton, wool, silk, etc. are natural fibers. Then give some examples of synthetic fibers. Rayon, nylon, etc. are the synthetic or man-made fibers. Can us look on that box. This box shows that name of articles and type of fibers, natural or artificial. Okay. Give some different names of article and types of fibers and classify these fibers as natural or artificial. If you look on socks, we made socks on nylon. The nylon is an artificial fiber. Socks which makes us nylon. This nylon is an artificial fiber. And then car seat belt. Car seat belt which is made of nylon. This is also an artificial fiber. Once more, cotton which is obtained from plant, so it is a natural fiber. Nylon which is an artificial fiber. This nylon is used to make parachute, car seats, socks, etc. like that. Silk. Silk fiber is obtained from silk moth. Silk fiber which is obtained from silk moth, which is a natural fiber. Because it is made from an animal. So it is a natural fiber. Wool. Wool is taken in a sheep. So sheep is an animal, so it is a natural fiber. Okay. A nylon, which is an artificial fiber, which is used for making socks, car seat belts, parachute, etc. like that. And the wool, which is made from sheep, so it is a natural fiber. Silk, which is obtained from silk moth, which is also a natural fiber. Okay. This first picture shows that the uniform pattern that found in a necklace of beads that joined with the help of a thread. Once more, the first picture shows that the uniform pattern that found in a necklace of beads joined with the help of a thread. The thread is used to join the all these beads. This is look like a necklace. Okay. This second picture shows that join a number of paper clips together to make a long chain. Once more, the second picture shows that join a number of paper clips together to make a chain. These both pictures which shows that it can be combined, a small units combined to form a long chain. The first and second picture shows that the small units which are combined to form a long chain. Okay, then this first and second picture shows that a small units which are combined to form a long chain. Okay, in first picture beads are joined together to form long chains. In second picture shows that paper clips that are joined to form long chains. A synthetic fiber which also a chain of small units together. A synthetic fiber is also a chain of small units joined together. Each small joined unit is actually a chemical substance. Once more, a synthetic fiber is also a chain of small units together. The synthetic fibers are also made by joining this type of small unit. Okay, the synthetic fibers are made by joining this type of small units. Each small unit is actually a chemical substance. Each small unit is actually a chemical substance. Okay. Many such small units combine together to form a large single unit is called a polymer. This type of small unit is combined to form a large molecule. A small type of pieces or small clips or small units which can be made to form a large molecule. This is called as a polymer. Once more, many such small units combine to form a large single unit which is called as a polymer. Many such small units are combined to form a large unit which is called as a polymer. Then the word polymer, which comes from two Greek words. The word polymer comes from two Greek words. Poly meaning many, more meaning part or unit. Poly meaning many, more meaning part or unit. So, a polymer is made up of many repeating units. So, a polymer is made up of many repeating units. Okay. Polymers which can occur in nature also. It is not in a synthetic fibers. It is also occurs in nature also. For example, cellulose. Cellulose is the polymer of cotton. Cellulose is made up of a large number of glucose units. Okay. Polymer is also occurred in nature also. Cellulose is a polymer of cotton and it is made up of a large number of glucose units. For this class, we have looked at the different type of fibers we made. There are two types of fibers, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. In natural fibers are occurred in plants or animals. For example, wool, cotton, silk, etc. like that. The artificial fibers are made by human beings. For example, nylon, rayon, these fibers are also called as man-made fibers or synthetic fibers. Then we look on what do you mean by a polymer. These artificial fibers are made by joining a simple unit. Simple units are joined together to form a long chain which is called as a polymer. Okay, then the artificial fibers are joined like this to form a long polymer. Not only the artificial fibers, natural fibers also have polymer. For example, cellulose. Cellulose is the polymer of cotton. Cotton is a natural polymer. So, the natural polymer we have also formed like that a chain. A small units are joined to make a chain. Cellulose is a polymer of cotton. Okay, cellulose is a polymer of cotton. Cellulose is made up of a large number of glucose units. Okay. Today I wind up my class. All of you study well and do all activities that given in your group. Stay safe. Okay, we will meet you on next class.